Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Lincolncapri in black, and this is from Mini GT. Obviously, this is the first time Mini GT has done a classic vintage antique casting, which is quite impressive and quite shocking to hear and see, surprisingly, from Mini GT. So they decided to make an antique casting and put it into Mini GT. As you can see, the box is literally the same as before, like previously. Of course, you have the number 448. Obviously, this is in black and that one's in matte gray. Here's the back if you want. Official licensed product, Ford, TSM models, and yeah, there's your other stuff right here. And there's the base. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so this should be nice because its first debut is in black, which is gonna be quite an interesting one, as of course this is an antique vintage car, and let's see how it is. And would you look at that beauty? Oh my gosh, it kind of reminds me of the era of that Hudson Hornet era, where you had like obviously the fabulous Hudson Hornet type of era. Of course, you had the Chevy Chevelle, you had the vintage classic Chevelles and Chevys from Camaro, and then you had the classic Fords, obviously. And obviously this is in black, and of course, like I said just now, this is Lincolncapri. This is a Lincoln casting or car, a Lincoln car of course, and you have a lot of fine and fascinating details on this car, which I do like. First of all, I'm gonna point out that this is obviously in metallic black, which looks gorgeous and so clean, because obviously it is a metallic black casting, and when it comes to vintage cars, you always have to start in its basic and formal color. And would you look at that, they did, and it looks super nice. It very looks nice. Like the first time I saw someone talked about this car, and they said that this is like literally from Mini GT. I was like, it's from Mini GT? I didn't know at all. Like, I thought it would be like from the Tomica Limited Vintage, or maybe like, I know it wouldn't be from Hot Wheels. It could be like from Era Car, or maybe Tarmac Works, who knows. But turns out Mini GT is gonna start with vintage castings, which I do like, because well, the older the cars, the better they say, but in terms of quality, of course. But obviously the shapes are not up to date, up to the latest cars, of course. And yeah, let us take a look at the Lincolncapri itself up close. Here it is. It is quite a heavyweight car, as you can see, obviously from the metal body as well as the metal chassis or base. And yes, like I said just now, this is in metallic black, and just look at that side profile. You have that interestingly detailed rims in silver, and you even have that thick white lining, which obviously looks very good, especially with an antique car like this. We have one silver lining on the side. We have the doors right here with some more grayish white type of lining there, more like silver metallic sort of. Yeah, you have some more lines right here at the rear fender, which is quite cool, as you can see right there. You have of course transparent side windows, which are pretty cool. Here's the roof in metallic black right there, looks pretty cool. Moving on to the front, you have the Lincoln logo right there, which, yeah, let's take a closer look there. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. And then you have the I would say it's like the pop-up badge. I mean, it's sort of like the logo, but pop-up, I guess. Yeah, that's on the hood. And yeah, here are the circle headlights, as you can see right there. Oh, that looks so gorgeous. I like the front. It kind of looks like a Chevy, and of course it is a Lincoln, and you cannot go wrong when it comes to Lincolns, and they do kind of look like a Chevy for some reason, but still it is pretty cool. It's like the Fords from the old 1980s, 1970s. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. You have that chrome silver front bumper, which is pretty cool right there. Extended silver front bumper right there. Looks pretty cool. Moving on to the back, we have the rear lights right there, which are quality, which have quality details. You have the rear bumper in silver chrome, which yeah, still looks nice. Obviously, you don't have any license plate, of course, right there, but you do have a bit of the badge right there, the logo. Yeah, that's the overview of the body of the car. Moving on to the chassis or base. Here it is. It's in matte, and let me turn it around. Yeah, it is in matte, and it says Mini GT. That's basically it. But I like the texture they've done to the base instead of a flat normal base. Turns out they've they've shown that they've made bits and pieces with the base. Especially you can see a bit of the like the suspension type of thing right there. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, obviously Mini GT has some screws right there. You have two, one on the front, one on the back right there for you to unrivet if you want. And yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Lincolncapri. I hope that Mini GT will do something like this, or maybe some more antique cars in the near future. I hope to see that come into Mini GT soon. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.